We talk about the stretching, we talk about the water, we talk about ease into practice, we talk about the relaxation wrist exercise, right? We were talking about how are you playing the piano, connect the shoulder with the arm, with the wrist, with the finger, right? We were talking about the body intelligence, you know, you must go slow and silly. I have my notes here. Hello everyone, I am Liana with Music Academy International Inc. And in today's tutorial we're gonna do a big one, and this big one is about relaxation. It's a big topic and probably I'm not sure how to do it. I was thinking to do it one video, but it's so much to talk that probably I will do part 1 and part 2. But anyhow, I would like you to stick to the end, all the way to the end with me, because this is very, very important. This video is mostly for adults. It's triggering adults. Either you are a new beginners in the art of playing piano, either you are a comeback, you did come back after years of not practicing or not playing at all. You need to watch very careful on these explanations. So today I'm gonna start with, literally, I'm gonna start with tips, how to relax, my tips, my personal tips, how to relax. And then I'm gonna go actually, why are you tense, you know. Maybe I should have gone differently, but I'm thinking first I'm just gonna straight into the subject. If you feel that you are tense, let's get going, okay? Before we going, I would like to welcome everyone. I'm very happy. We have almost 1,100 subscribers by now. I would invite you to go to the playlist if you are new to the channel. I'm telling you there are over 300 videos, lots and lots and lots on content. If you struggle with anything, or you don't know how to handle this big channel, please ask me questions and I will direct you exactly where you need to go. So do check the playlist, because it's really important material there, and I would like to share with everyone that is listening to me. On the same time, I would like you to find me on Facebook. And if you really like this this channel or this information that I'm gonna share with you right now, you can find me on Patreon and send me your links with the problems that you have it, and definitely I'm gonna reply there. You can find me on Teachable with more tutorials, you know. And you can obviously you do have the PayPal links. All the links are down below to support me and to encourage me to keep on going on this work and journey with you. I'm doing live streaming every Sunday at 6 o'clock for you to have a platform where you can ask me questions, and if I can give you a response, an easy response, I will do it right on the spot on our live streaming. Usually it's 6 to 6:45. And now, let's go straight into this relaxation big topic. Big topic, okay? So I'm gonna go first with how to relax. So if you feel that you are tense anywhere from the shoulder to the arm to the fingers, I'm just gonna go to some points, but then I will go deeper and deeper and deeper into the subject. So first of all, in your practice, I want you to start your practicing, you know, with a couple of stretching. Stretching is extremely important, and especially for adults. I'm not gonna stay here to teach you how to stretch. Maybe I'll do a short video, very short video, but definitely you need to stretch a lot all the time. So I will encourage you, before you start playing, okay, my My Smoky just moved the camera. It's still good. So before my Smoky, it's here, you know, it's here, right? So before you start practicing again, the adult, tip number 1, I would like you to start stretching every time, all the time, for at least 3-4 minutes. If you have cold hands and you know, outside is cold or in the house is cold, I don't know where you're watching from. Right now it's September and I'm in Florida and it's definitely not cold. Actually my fingers are swelling because it's too hot. But if it's cold, wash yourself with warm water for a couple of minutes, and that it will warm up your, you know, your circulation. So stretching finger, stretching the wrist, you know, any ballerina, any athlete will stretch before anything that they will do. Then, when you start practicing, another good tip, ease into your practice. So don't start practicing with something hard, right? So you need to warm up. You need to have a warm-up routine. Depends of your level. So I don't know what is your level, but I would say this. If you are like late beginner or kind of intermediate, start with Hanon with fingers exercise. It's easy to do it, and in that moment you can relax and you don't need to, you know, go straight into technicality or so. This is a very important tip, to warm up with, you know, fingers. If you don't want to start up with with the Hanon, start up with the piece that you already know how to play it. It's a lot of joy to do it. So start with a little good mood, whatever you are. So your emotional body and your body to start being in a good mood. So whatever you've been having before your practice routine, you know, maybe it wasn't that a good day. And if it was not that a good day, you need a transition in between, you know, the day and your piano fun time journey. Okay, so right now I want to go in a subject very important. So for you, very clearly, I want to be very clearly in regarding how we play the piano. All right. So you play the piano with the entire arm. So that means the tenseness can be anywhere from the shoulders to the arm, to the wrist, where usually it's happening, but it can happen here as well, or to this, or, you know, to the palm or to the fingers, right? So the tenseness can happen anywhere. So again, I cannot go into all of it, but you need to be aware that you can be tense anywhere on this apparatus, I would say. So we're not playing a lot of new students, adults that they've been trying to do it, you know, self-taught usually. They're trying to, oh, I learned the notes and right now I will play the song. Well, right. And then they think that it's all into the fingers, and actually it's not. It's all the way to the entire body. So if you feel that your shoulder coming up like that, I would like you to start, you know, watching yourself, how you playing, and really pinpoint where are you tense, right? And this you can only do it with the Hanon exercises or with scales or something that it's very easy for you, right? So as you feel that the shoulders are coming up, please roll out your shoulders and pull it down, literally push it down, you know, and move on to the exercise. Right now, the wrist, I'm not gonna stay on the arm, but I'm gonna stay on the wrist, because the wrist is usually who is getting tense, and then if wrist is getting tense, then the entire body will get tense. So you gotta think that this wrist, it's part of the fingers, or you can think that the fingers is like the tires of a car. You know, these are the tires that moves the car, and actually this is the steering wheel that you need to guide your fingers where to go. So it's not, and then it will be the arm and then the entire body that it moves on the same time with the fingers. So if you go this direction, you need to understand how to relax. Again, I want to thank you everyone for being here. Don't forget, I have links into the description if you really like this message and this tutorial and all the other 300, you know. So you can find me on Patreon, where you can ask questions, you know. You can find me on live streaming every Sunday at 6 o'clock. I will be here for you. I'm opening right now Teachable. That's gonna be a full site with more and more videos and tutorials. I'm preparing right now actually Reverie, you know. That is gonna be on Teachable. This piece, right? It's gonna be a full detail tutorial, you know. If you would like to, send me a message, what would you like me to do, I'm open. And absolutely, I do have, if you would like to have an extra pair of eyes of how you play, I do offer master classes. Just once, it could be just one in a lifetime, or once a month, or we will see what else, Check the playlist. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Please comment and like the video and support me anywhere on Facebook as well.